Thanks for checking in this video. This is part two, video 2 of 2. If you haven't seen my first one, it was more so of why some of the email filters were not working, and I wanted to start there before I started, creating more rules. So for this second video, I just want to go over specifically for Microsoft Outlook and how to create a rules. All right, so rules is really designed for the user to organize incoming emails so that it's more user friendly. And so my whole goal was that I wanted to create a rule where any email that's coming from our local school district would get organized and placed into a specific folder of my choice so that it's easier for me to navigate and find the emails that I need to. Sometimes emails, even though they come into your inbox, could easily get buried very quickly, and then when you need to go find a certain email, it's difficult. All right, so open up your Outlook, and this is a dark theme, so ignore the dark background. But your options to create new rules or filters is up here in the gear. Click on the setting, and then you want to go down here to all Outlook setting, and then you're going to notice that we're in the mail navigation tab, and then we want to go to rules. All right, I got a couple of rules set up here, but the purpose of this video is how to create a rule. So I'm going to go to add new rule, and I'm going to name it. So I'm going to name this one the district rule. All right, so we want to add a condition. So this one says what I want to go down here where it says sender email address includes. All right, so the condition is that if the sender email includes at ecasd.us, okay, I want the action to be, okay, that those emails get moved to the folder of my choice, which is this one, ECASD. So that's the school district folder. All right, so basically this rule is pretty straightforward. It says if an email comes from anybody with that extension, it gets moved into that folder. Okay, I'm going to also add a secondary condition just to make sure that this rule is absolutely going to work. So over here, you can do it from specific people. So if you are subscribed to like a podcast or a business or something like that, you can put from, and then you can type in their specific address and it will do the same thing. All right, these are just a lot of different options or conditions, what they call it. So I'm going down here, I'm going to go to if I am on the to line. Okay, so what that means is that if any email comes from this address that includes my name in the to line, that it will also get moved into this. So that's pretty much it. I got the stop processing more rules here, so I will click save, and that is it. All right, so my rule is saved. It should be done. Let's wait here for a second. Okay, so there it is. My district rule says if the sender's address contains these words and my name is in the to box, move the message to the ECASD and stop processing more rules on this message. So I'm curious if this last statement here, which was a checkbox that you saw like 10 seconds ago when I was creating the rule, I wonder if that means that it only does it one time. I'm not exactly sure, but we will leave that. And then you can see these have the run rule now. I'm not sure why those are there either. So if anybody can explain a little bit about that in the comment, that'd be greatly appreciated. So next, to test, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm going to go over to my school district email, okay, and I'm going to email myself. And we are testing, I believe this is going to be test number 20. No, I want to say 21. Okay, so I'm going to go send, pop back over to here to my, so it didn't come into the inbox, which is good. We're going to go check where it's supposed to go. So right here, test number 21. All right, so it did work. The rule did work. It took the email with all those conditions and then placed it into the ECASD folder. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Once again, if you have an answer to the question that I asked about why the and stop filtering this rule, place in the comment below. Otherwise, thanks and take care.